what I've created here in MakeCode is an interval timer. So this is useful for anything where you want to have a countdown timer where you can set the number of intervals in a preset number of seconds per interval. So in this case, it's something I use for different types of exercise. So if you're doing, let's say, planks or dead hangs or something where you want to count off 30 seconds, something like that. What I've set up is this system where I can add each interval of 5 seconds that I want, and then when I press both buttons together, in the simulator this is going to be A plus B, it's going to count off 5 seconds, and then with each 5 second it drops the LED to green for that 5-second set. We got 5 more seconds, and then when it reaches the end, it's going to ding. I don't know if you'll hear that, but in my OnStart block, I'm setting the brightness and I'm setting all the pixels to yellow, and then I'm setting a couple of variables. I've got count, which is set to -1, and interval, which is set to 5. Then I'm going to set in this forever loop the little indicator LED is just blinking once per second. What I do when I press the A button, I'm going to subtract 1 from that variable called count, and I'm going to set the pixel at that current number to yellow. When I press the B button, I'm going to interval up, and that's where we see how many seconds or intervals I'm setting. And then when I press A and B together, click those, first we're going to call this function called beeps, and that sets our little beep, beep, beep timer. Then we're going to run through this counter in 1-second increments, so we're counting down a second at a time, and then heading back through the number of pixels that we had set originally until we reach 0. So let me show you this on my actual Circuit Playground Express. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2 intervals to it, so that's going to be 10 seconds. Now when I press both of these buttons together, so that's where it starts, and now I can keep an eye on this if you're doing something like holding a plank position or dead hang or something like that, like I said. You can watch the little red LED blinking so that you can kind of count it down, and there you hear it beeps when it's time to finish. Now this doesn't just have to be used for exercise, like I said. Anywhere where you could want an interval timer, this is a pretty fun and flexible way to build one using the Circuit Playground Express inside of MakeCode.